Hello friend, this is Golden Thumb. While I'm doing Swift UI tutorial, I realized that I need to help my friends with zero knowledge of Swift, that cool programming language. Okay, so that's why I'll create another series about Swift programming language tutorial. This is the first one. Okay, we'll start from scratch, very beginning, zero. Okay, we need need a Mac computer. Okay, and I'm using a MacBook, so this is um, the current operating system, Mac OS Big Sur. I just upgraded to 11.4 this morning, and any Mac computer should work, okay, but not very old. And um, you still need another big tool, which is Xcode. So let's close this one. Where can you find Xcode? You open the App Store, right? And search, okay, what's that? Continue. And search Xcode. Xcode, this is a free IDE, integrated development environment. Okay, this guy, right? With a hammer and yeah, on icon, yeah. So that's it. So after you have some basic idea about the Swift language, right? You can catch up with the other series tutorial of mine, like SwiftUI, and we'll use SwiftUI, but in Xcode, but we don't go to the complicated concepts of SwiftUI. We'll start from very beginning, like printing out a hello world. Okay, so after you have Xcode installed, that's we can start playing with that. Xcode, and create a new Xcode project. So let's use iOS app here, right? Next. Product name. Let's use this one, okay? Swift001 product name. It means this is the first program we run to using Swift programming language. And organization identifier, you can, yeah, it doesn't matter. Team, you can select none here, no problem. And organization identifier, you can put whatever, like com dot your name. And the bundle identifier, that no, it's automatically generated. And interface, yeah, let's select the Swift UI. So after, right, you have some basic idea, knowledge about the Swift programming language, you can play with Swift UI more comfortably. Okay, life cycle, yeah, a Swift UI app, and language Swift, of course. That's it. Next, you can put it anywhere. I just put my Xcode workspace, right? You can put it on desktop, right? Like, well, yeah, desktop, or yeah, in my case, I put it in under my Xcode workspace. So create. Yeah, you don't need this, so uncheck source control. So after you created this one, you'll see a screen like that. And this is already a runnable app. Okay, so let's select a simulator, the bottom one. Okay, iPod Touch, because we It doesn't matter. We don't play as Swift UI code or any like app. We don't build any the real app, right? We just play some code. We want to play some simple code here. So let's see what we have. We can launch the simulator by clicking this guy, black triangle here on the top left, sorry. Yeah, so we should be able to see hello world in the middle. That's not the hello world we need, okay? So don't worry about that. Oh, okay. Yeah. Since this is not our focus. Our focus will be simpler. So let's click this one. SwiftUI Swift001 app .swift, right? This is a very simple code. You see here, and we can hide that, and we can hide this one by clicking here. So you see, very clean, right? And the first thing is to print out our hello world, but we cannot just put the code here like that. Print hello world. It doesn't compile. Xcode complains about that. Okay, it's very easy to fix that. You only need to add a return in front of this guy. From now on, you can put your code here, right? Now, let's run it. Oh, yeah, so we can stop it here and rerun that again. This is our play, our output, okay? This one is not that one. It's not this one, okay? It's not this one. And to speed up our debugging, we can, okay, let's change this one. Swift is fun. Okay, now Command R to run it. So focus on here. Swift is fun. Okay, don't worry about there. And since I need your help, right? So let's go back to here to modify this one. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. But I just want you to see a piece of message from Golden Sun. Okay, so help. Help. Golden Sun help you. Okay, that. So every time we can see this piece of message, help Golden Sun help you. Run it. But yeah, you don't need to do that. Yeah, help. So subscribe if possible. Help Golden Sun help you. Okay, and our focus is still here from now on. Well, yeah, and Swift is fun. Okay, so we can hide the left hand panel is called the navigation panel. So let's put something more here. Yeah, we can add another right print. For example, let's do math. Okay, x equals 2 y. Oh no. Oh yeah, y. Sorry, we need the that. Does it compile if we don't put that there? Y equals 3. We can Command R to run it. Okay, no, we do need a let, right? So we assign 2 to, this is called a variable or constant here, right? We cannot change x if we use let here. Now we can print out x plus y. Okay, now run it. So Swift is fun 5. Okay, what about this? If we we can make it more fun. Okay, like that. Run it. We can see x plus y instead of the result, right? This is the string, right? So its output as is, but we can add, we can show the value of an expression using backslash parenthesis syntax. Okay, so we can put the x here, Command R to run it. Yeah, no, this is wrong, right? But we just show that the value of x, and if we want to show this expression, and if you think this one is annoying, right, you can do this. You can do this, right? Like that. Oh, but it's still, I think it will still cover that. Let's try it. Command R. Yeah, it will still pop up like that. So there's no way to get rid of it. So give it a space. Okay, so that's the first lesson we have for Swift, right? That's the code. We can print out a string, we can define a constant like that, and we can print out using, right, backslash parentheses to show the value of an expression or, yeah, variable or constant. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget, subscribe. It helps.